Hi, good morning, kabayan. So, for now, we cook corn. Yan, I cook corn, as you can see. Very sweet. Sweet corn. This is white corn, not yellow corn. Yan. And few minutes, I cook in the oven, uh, talong and chicken with potato with the oven. Then I will cook rice terraces. Yan. Yan. Allergy ako sa rice. So, may allergy tayo sa rice kaya nagluto tayo everyday ng rice. Rice terraces. Ang mga Pilipino ayaw kumain ng mga rice. So yan, kaya nagluto tayo ng rice. So, pipon. Tapos, ito yung lemon natin. Gagawa tayo ng lemon juice for the good for the health. Yan. After a minute, it's done. It's cooked. I hope you appreciated my videos and thank you to my supporters. And this is my living area. This is a formal dining, as you can see, the 6-seaters, and the living room, the sofa, L-shape, leather, genuine leather, and also we have center table, plants. I love plants, and also here I love plants. So I also have plants there. So this is the comfort room, CR. As you can see, it's very clean. I maintain to clean this because the children of my employer they love clean in the house. So I have plants here, snake plant and money plant. So I maintain the beauty of the CR. And also here, water closet and lavatory. So as you can see my face, the beautiful place in the Philippines. So yeah, as you can see, it's very clean. The toilet is clean and dry. Also the flooring, it's very clean as you can see. So, yeah. So I will close the light. This is the what I work is to maintain the cleanliness of the house. So this is my room. I will show my room. This is my room. Yan. I don't know. Yes, this is my room. As you can see, we have a towel here because I don't have, when I take shower, I have towel. So I have aircon, side table, and of course my closet. So closet is organized. And also here, I have closet. Yan, as you can see, my closet for winter. And my closet is very organized. I love organized like that, as you can see, and organized. And of course, I have plants here because it cleans the surrounding, the atmosphere inside my room. It clean. The hair is maintained clean. Okay, I have plants here. This is snake plant, and as you can see, and also I have more photo here, different kind of occasions. I put here in the, yeah, I put here. I don't want to show everyone. So my my bed is single, 36 by 75. So as you can see, my room is very clean. It's all white. Yeah. We go to my employer's room. Yeah. As you can see, my room of employer is that. Uh, Sti mine. Yun, as you can see yan. As you can see, the flooring is clean. The flooring is clean. So we have also a table, dining table here for we eat every day here. This is the place where employer and I eat here. And also have simple like that. Potato and onion. I organize everything. This is pantry. Yeah, and this is the pantry that we have organized everything, and also the wine, all the stocks here. And this is the oven, and also a lot of things that happen. And this is one cutlery. So as you can see, it is organized well. As you organized and clean. And of course, this is a water dispenser, water purifier. This is hot water and this is cold water. And as you can see also, yan, I have towel here, organized. I will organize this is the towel that I will use every day, and also the documents, spices and herbs, like this. So the rice terraces is done. It's need to close the gas, okay? Or later before we eat, because my employer wants to eat hot food. So 30 minutes before he cooks, he awake, I will cook this in the oven. So let's see what is happening. So I think this sweet corn very hot. This sweet corn, I think it's done. It's cooked. It's well cooked. Yan. As you can see, the gas is clean. I maintain the cleanliness of the house. As you can see, the flooring is clean. This is our bomb shelter. So I will show the bomb shelter. When the rockets coming in the Israel, we go here. I have a freezer here, televisions, and aircon. And this is my phone when I sleep there, and my employer, and side table also. So I will close the lights. Then of course, this is the plants. Beautiful plants. They clean the house. The hair of inside the house. So I will maintain. Then I have also kind of beautiful plants here. That's snake plants. It's beautiful. It makes beautiful. It makes some sort of beautiful in the house. Beautiful. Also here. As you can see, it's clean. And I love inside the house like this. I hope I maintain the cleanliness of the house. We need to turn off this because it is done. I turn off the light, gas. Then of course I will show the freezer here. As you can see, organized. Oh, we have the ice cream there. So organized well, and clean. Also my freezer, chiller. So the vegetable is outside, beer, milk. As you can see, it's organized. Mango, etc. Bread, eggs, and many fruits. We have fruits here. We have sweet corn that they gave the daughter. Sweet corn and the white corn. And this one. Different kind of fruits. Yes, we have avocado, soft drinks, and so on. So I will maintain the cleanliness of this house, as you can see. And bye!